Hello, welcome in my new video. Today's tutorial I created especially for you, all my beginner viewers. It's super easy, high-waisted paperback skirt. Like almost always, at first I draw pattern and later I sew using this pattern. But today I have little but. You can draw this pattern straight on fabric. I'm using paper because I want it to look very clear for you. But you can draw it straight on fabric and be far more quicker than I am. Also, you can add front or back slit to it, as it's super in fashion now. Check my earlier video on this topic. I add link in description box. So, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and let's begin sewing! Here you can see how ready skirt looks like. I think adding pockets was a very good move, but you can easily skip this part to make it even easier for you. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you all, my dear beginners. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and most importantly, have fun!